Love the color. We got the belt. Mm-hmm. 80 bucks, down from 160. Hey, hello, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vitoragenic. And as you can tell by the title, today I have this whole bunch of online shopping. This one is from Shein and this is from the Iconic. I have been online shopping on Iconic for quite a long time now. I think it started in 2017 when I first came to Australia, and I am still loving it. And this is from Shein. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of their products because low quality. But then again, when I went to their website, I saw some cute tops that I really like and I just ordered it again. It's not only tops, by the way. I also ordered like tote bag and hat jewelry box. So yeah, we are gonna look at this. And I also got a bag. This is from Fossil. I didn't buy this. It's from my friend. And the other day I decided to go to Cotton On to get myself a sexy, nice denim short to be matched with my tops from Shein. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing first, I'm gonna unboxing this one from the Iconic. Oops, I know where the scissor is. I'm just too lazy. So I only order Converse and hollow rope neck chain. This is for sunglasses. Comes with cute little bag. It has one size and in color gold. Oh, nice. Protect your sunglasses, not falling down, and it actually very lightweight. I really like it. I got this for 15 bucks. So yeah. This is Converse All Stars. Look at that. It looks like a robot. And I think I got this for 80 bucks, down from 160, I guess. Try this out. This is very comfortable. Look. Woo! And this is very comfortable, you guys. Look. Woo, woo. So that's it from the Iconic, and now getting excited. Let's get into the Shein makeup puff. This is very cheap. It's like $2. Oh my god. Oh, this is so soft. I think most of the makeup artists, they use this shape for applying concealer. Not applying, sorry, to blend the concealer under your eyes. So that's why I ordered it. I got 3, and oh my god, you guys, you have to see this. This is so soft. I really like it. I think it's not bad for $2. So yeah, that's that. Jewelry box. This is perfect if you are traveling somewhere, so it keeps your jewelry more organized and safe. Like you can put your bracelet or necklace here or here for the pendant, rings, earrings, and I really like the color. I'm very happy with this one. Next, the tote bag. Oh, okay. I like the packaging. See, it has the seal. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. Inside is plain black. You have this little keychain, like a keychain. I don't know where you're supposed to put this one, but I am just going to put it here. No, I think it's here. Oh wow, look at that. I love this. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so now we are going to unboxing the first top from Shein. Which one? This one. Yeah, as I say, I'm not a really big fan of their quality, you guys. This is a bit see-through. I don't know if you can see my hand, but I'm gonna try this one. But before, I am going to be showing you this belt. This is also very cheap, by the way, but I like because it comes in black color. I don't have belt in black color. And I'm gonna match this top and this belt with my cotton on short, the one and only. So this is how the top looks like, you guys. It looks wow, I love it. I like the color and this little thing here and the turtleneck. Oh my god, this looks expensive. I mean, I got this for 11 bucks and look. So this is $11 and this one 20 bucks from the cotton on and 80 bucks, down from 160. I feel so sexy and my husband agree. He nods. Oh my god, I love this. I haven't even put the belt yet. With the belt, I think it's too much. Do you agree? Yeah, no. I think I'm good without belt. And let's get into the second top because oh my god, I cannot stop looking at myself at the mirror. Next, second top. This top is the reason I ended up buying all the stuff from Shein. Look at this guy. Just look. I mean, look at this. I think the quality is not too bad this time. Yeah, I mean, it's not cheap. I kind of changed my mind because I really like the material. Yeah, it's kind of cold and it's perfect for down weather. Yeah, and it's so pretty compared to the other one. This is like my favorite so far. And now we got the belt. And I also got this hat because my husband is taking me camping next month. So let's go ahead and try the hat. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think, guys? And if I don't wear this, of course I would not wear this to go camping. I might go for picnic in Kallen Bay and yeah. What do you think, you guys? If I go picnic, I wouldn't wear the sneakers because I am gonna be wearing thongs. This is from my best friend, gave it to me. This is Fossil, if you can see here. It's like very girly and oh my god, I cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror. Okay, I better try out the third top. This is also my favorite. It's like, oh my god, I think the material is not that bad. It's not like my first order from Shein. Let me try. Wow. I like all of them, you guys. Look at this. Look at me. I think it's because of the short makes everything look good. I like the color. Other than short, I can match this top with jeans. But I think everything looks good with the short. Oh my god, I love this one. Okay, next. Alright, let's see. I'm very happy with everything that I got so far. Oh, sleeveless. This, just like this one, they look expensive. I will probably wear this one like for dinner. I can wear this with my skirt. Yeah, this one is kind of big. Even if maybe I need to iron this. Oh,
that's better.
Look. Yeah, not bad, but I don't think it goes really well with the short. So I am gonna try match this with my skirt. What do you think, guys? Nice. Yeah, I prefer wear this one with the skirt rather than my short. And this is like not very casual. This is like something you wear when you go for dinner or a date, maybe. If someone take me on a date, I will be wearing this. Yeah. Satin that makes everything looks expensive. Yeah, it's a bit big for me. It's like not fit me perfectly, but I don't mind. Oops, that's my dog, by the way. Okay, move on to next one.
Dog.
This is in green. Ooh la la, this is like very feminine. And oh wow, look at this. I love the color. It looks really nice with my skin color. Yeah, I really like this color. It looks good with the skirt. I bet it will looks also good with the short. Let me try this out. Oh my god, I think I have said this before, but I'm gonna say it one more time. The quality, the material is not bad. So if you wanna buy something from Shein, just look for something that is above $10, because before I bought everything below $10 and I wasn't very happy with the quality, but this one, I love it. I love it. It's not bad at all. I love this. Okay. Move on to the last top. I really don't want to make this video to be very long. So this is another top with color. I got everything in size 6. I think this is the smallest size, if I'm not mistaken. This is in size S for US. This is the size 4. This is also in size S or 4 in US. But this is a bit big for me, as you can see. And for this shirt, you can wear it like this, or I just got the idea. Ooh la la. How about that? Ooh. Maybe with my tote bag and then wearing thong or slippers or sandal, whatever you call it, to the beach, and maybe my hat, or with the bag is too much, right? Look. Ooh la la. Hello. It's so pretty. I like it. And I love everything. What else? Yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Oh, one more. This is just a plain white shirt with collar. This is perfect if you are wearing swimsuit at the beach. Yeah, you can wear your swimsuit because this is long enough to cover your bottom, and it's not very thick, so yeah, I think it's perfect. And it's also see-through. Yeah, so I actually wanted to wear my okay, it's okay.
Dog got it.
You don't like this?
No,
Really?
He's excited. That's why he does it.
Oh, you're excited for this one. You want this? Oh my god, you're so cute. It's okay. Come on, you come here. Alright guys, because my dog wants attention, so I have got to go. But I hope you enjoy this video so far. And yeah, and one last thing I wanted to show you guys. I got this from Kmart, from $18 down to $2. This is in size 12. It's so pretty. Oh my god, the quality, you guys. If you live in Darwin, you really want this kind of material that can absorb your sweat and keep you cool. That's very important. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Bye bye. And the last item that I'm gonna show you is, I don't know how you call this, but this is for your sink. So you can put your dishwashing sponge and dishwashing liquid here, and you can use this to hook on your sink. Let me show you. Sorry for the mess. I have just washing my dishes. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. You can put it here. Nice.